What's up, everybody? I got a quick tip. A spark plug. Don't use these gimmick spark plugs. I call them gimmick spark plugs. Only thing you need to know is what the factory put in there. I just spent, I don't know, I spent a couple hours chasing down a spark plug, misfire, random intermittent misfire. Turned out when I switched spark plugs from one cylinder to the other, ended up being the spark plug. The misfire moved cylinders. So gimmick spark plugs, I'd stay away from them. In fact, this was like $3 more per spark plug than the OE Motocraft spark plugs that I put in. So sometimes you'll spend money and cost yourself a headache. So just know OE spark plugs.